Hello friends, welcome to the very interesting YouTube channel Omnis Domain. Kindly subscribe this channel so that you can enjoy every upcoming videos here. Now let's start it. Hello guys, today I'm gonna unbox something I ordered recently from Myntra. I got this product delivered this morning. These are Allen Solly shoes from Myntra. You can see it. These are perfectly packed. Let's see how it looks from inside. I just love these shoes, so I thought I should order this, and I have brought the size 6, UK size 6. You can see the color. I'm showing these closely to you so that you can actually see the color, the design and the finishing by yourself. Actually, I exchanged these from the size 7 which I ordered earlier because those were a bit large, so I will suggest to order the size smaller than your usual size. And here is the price tag. The price may vary during the sales and the offer, and I have provided the link in the description box, so go through the link, and if you loved these shoes too, so go and buy it. And I hope you guys loved watching this video, and share your experience in the comment section. Thank you.